Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Oxford Primary Mathematics and I am Ahsan. We are solving problem sums these days. We already have done question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's do question number 5. I don't know why is it the last question of this page, as it is the easiest one and easiest one should be on the top. Okay, so let's read this question. Bola had 240 cards and Tom had 780 cards. After Tom gave some cards to Bola, Bola had twice as many cards as Tom. How many cards did Tom give to Bola? Okay, so for better understanding, we can reduce the numbers. Sometimes we can reduce the numbers to understand the question better. Okay. For example, if Sarah has 8 pencils and Zara has 4 pencils and Sarah gives her 2 pencils to Zara, then Sarah will have, I'm again saying Sarah gave 2 pencils to Zara, then Sarah will have 6 pencils and Zara will also have 6 pencils, right? Okay, one thing. If I add 4 and 8, what will I get? 12, right? If I add these two numbers, I will again get 12. It means that the total number of pencils will remain the same. No number is coming from outside or no pencil is going outside. The total number will remain the same. Let me give you another example. If Tom has 3 apples and Zam has 4 apples, and then Tom gives 1 apple to Zam, then Tom will have 2 apples left and Zam will have 5 apples. Again, if we do total, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, right? Total number of items will remain the same. Okay, now this thing is clear to you? Now I will do this question. Bola had 240 cards. I'm writing Bola had 240 cards and Tom had how many cards? 780. Okay, after Tom gave some cards to Bola. Bola had twice as many cards as Tom. Okay, first we will add them. We will add them to get to know that how many total cards were there. Let's put a line here and do rough work here and add them. 780. Whether it is addition or subtraction, try to write the bigger number on the top. Okay. 8 plus 4 is 12. It is 1020. So the total number is 1020 cards in all. Right? Okay, now they said that when Tom will give some of the cards to Bola, Bola will have twice as many cards as Tom. Right? Like Bola will get some cards, the same number Bola will get cards, and then Tom. Right? Bola will get the same share 2 times and then Tom will get his share. Right? For this, I want to divide these cards into 3 different parts. 3 different shares. Then I will give 2 shares to Bola and 1 share will be left with Tom. Right? Because they said that Bola will have twice as many cards as Tom. So I will divide the cards into 3 groups and I will give 2 groups to Bola and 1 group will be left with Tom. Let's divide it into 3. 3 times is 9. 1 left. 2 get down from the top. 3 4 times is 12. And 0 get down. 3 0 times is 0. 340. Can I say that 340 if I write 2 times? Because they said that Bola had twice as many cards as Tom. What is the double of 340? Let's do it here. 340, 340. It will give us 680. Can I say that Bola will have 680 cards and Tom will have 200, Tom will have 340 cards. And again, if we will add them, 12, we will have the total of 1020 cards, right? I have divided the cards into 3 parts. I have given 2 parts to Bola and 1 part to Tom. Now, is my answer justifying the statement Bola will have twice as many cards as Tom? Right? Bola has double as many cards as Tom. Yes, Tom has 340 and the double of 340 is 680. Right? I hope that this is clear to you. Now, what was the question? In the question, it is written, how many cards did Tom give to Bola? In the beginning, Tom had 780 cards. How many cards did Tom give to Bola? And Tom has left this 340 now. Let's see with subtraction 780 minus 340. 7 minus 3 is 4. So Tom gave how many cards? Tom gave 440 cards to Bola, right? When Tom will give 440 cards to Bola, Bola will have 680 cards. And then we can say that Bola has twice as many cards as Tom. This was the explanation of this question. Now I'm going to quick solve this question for you to understand how to do this question on the notebook. I'm removing everything and then I will do it or how you will do it on the notebook, right? Okay. First of all, I will write that in small. Bola will have 240 cards and Tom will have, sorry, I was writing taller. Tom will have 780 cards and total they will have 1020 cards, right? Then how much will each get? First, we will find how much will Tom have or how much will Bola have after distribution. How much will each get? Is equals to 1020 divided by 3. We have divided this number into 3. When we will divide this into 3, what will we get? We will get 340. Okay? Each will get 340. No, each will not get this 340. Two parts Bola will get and the third part Tom will get. 340 plus 340 plus 340 will be 1020. So now I will write that how much will each get? Bola will get double of 340, 680, and Tom will get 340, right? And then our question was how many cards did Tom give to Bola? How much Tom gave to Bola? How much did Tom give to Bola? Tom had what in the beginning? He had 780. Now he is left with 340. After subtraction, sorry, I have less space on the screen. After subtraction, he will have left with 440 cards. This is the final answer. How many cards did Tom give to Bola? He gave 440 cards. He gave 440 cards to Bola, and how many cards are left with Tom? So it is 340 left with Tom. But he gave 440. If you still have any confusion, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.